In manufacturing, data fragmentation isn't just frustrating, it's expensive. Our customers suspected that they were losing up to 15% of revenue because they couldn't see the full picture.
We imagined a world where the data worked for them, unified, accessible, and actionable. So we partnered with Microsoft to build a Fabric solution that unlocked real-time insight. We built a unified data architecture on Microsoft Fabric, collecting all the data into OneLake. It connects inspection, TAN design, and customer data, giving business users and leaders a single source of truth. With our bronze, silver, gold strategy, we ingested, transformed, and modeled data seamlessly. We further delivered tailored Power BI dashboards and secure access through Power Apps and Pages. The result? A clear path to recovering that 10 to 15% of lost revenue. Now, teams can anticipate maintenance needs, respond faster to opportunities, and make informed decisions. For their clients, this translates to reliable insight, quicker response, and smoother operations. The impact? Up to 15% revenue recovered, unified data across 3 major verticals, and real-time reporting that drives growth.
As a global Microsoft solution partner across every solution area and a Tier 1 cloud solution provider partner, we are proud to deliver innovation at scale, helping our customers turn data into decisions. This is just the beginning. We are expanding Fabric's reach because in manufacturing, unified data means unstoppable momentum.